Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, we see that market hasn't started the downward action yet, so the patterns that we have discussed yesterday has failed since market is erased by this upward action, but the current move slightly higher than above this top doesn't mean yet that this is the end, that's in fact market is continuing move higher. It's probably the downward action still could start, since market still calling around the completion point of the EBCD pattern. Slightly higher stands the weekly pivot resistance one, and 133.40 area is the major weekly 618 resistance. So we said when we have discussed this potential reversal to the downside, we said that it's possible that market could show some slightly higher move than previous highs and could show the flirting around this top before this potential retracement will start. That is possible. So currently probably it's a bit early to say that market is continuing move to the upside and that there will be no retracement. Probably not. That's a bit too early thought. So I think that today we mostly should keep an eye on this significant resistance and look what could really happen right here, because by its nature the potential move to the downside that's mostly should happen due to the completion point of this ABCD and daily overbought condition. By its nature this is the reversal a retracement potential move, and it will not be directional. It will be some bit choppy price action with the downward action if it will happen. So we should not expect some thrust and acceleration to the downside. That will be some gradual move with the long shadows or something of that sort. That's why this starting point as it looks now is possible on the market. Retesting the previous high, showing some flirting about it. Well, that is possible. So now I think that since market hasn't started move right from the patterns that we have discussed yesterday, we probably should wait some more clear pattern on the intraday charts before we will take the short position. And particularly we should keep an eye on how market will respond and respect this resistance area that stands 20 pips higher than current price is. On the 4-hour time frame, well, that was our stop grabber yesterday, and you can see market has erased this pattern by this action. Well, probably we can't treat this action as the butterfly, since it's a bit too skewed with the huge left wing and very small right wing. And probably it's better to treat it as just a retracement to the downside and take the extensions. So we can see that extensions is 127, 1618 stands also around this area. So that will be, as I said, major 618 resistance on the weekly and weekly pivot resistance one. Also you could see this hint on the potential divergence on the MACD indicator. On the hourly time frame, another assistance could come from this parallel channel that now is developing on the hourly chart. As you can see, is rather harmonic moves here. Well, market now is approaching to this area. I have marked it as the red rectangle here. That is the major resistance now. Well, one pattern that could be formed here, this probably could be even the head and shoulders. If that is, as we see on the hourly time, 4-hour time frame, that is also 127 extension of that swing. That could be, for instance, the left shoulder if market will continue move high, then start move down. So one of the confirmation of potential move to the downside probably could be the breakout of this parallel channel. So first of all, we should keep an eye on this area and see what market could form here, what patterns could be formed here. If we'll see some reversal patterns, maybe engulfing, maybe something else, well, that will be the first clue that potential move to the downside could start from that area. Well, and the final confirmation probably will come when the market, and if market will break this parallel channel. That will point us on the potential downward deeper retracement on the daily time frame. Hence, the invalidation point of our trading plan is breakout through this area. So if market will pass through this area significantly and hold above it, well, in this case we probably could say that the potential retracement to the downside and reversal has small chances to happen. That's why, because right above this area there are no any significant resistances. That's in fact the last area that carries the significant resistance for the market, and if downward action will start, then probably it should start from this level. So looks like that we will have to wait a bit and to get more clarification from the price action what really could happen. Particularly this should come from the behavior around 133.50 area. So let's keep an eye on it during the trading session. Unfortunately, there are no chances for taking any positions currently, because to enter long it's a bit late since we stand now at the significant resistance. To enter a bit to enter short it's a bit early, since we do not have any confirmations, any patterns from the market, so probably we will have to wait a bit. Also, we will take a look at gold market today. So here's the link on the gold video. Maybe we will find something interesting there. We'll see.